Student of class 7, how are you? I think you are all okay. We have done 3 videos on parts of peace. In the previous parts, I have already discussed gradually, one by one, namely noun, pronoun and verb. Today, I am going to demonstrate on adjectives. Okay? I am going to give an explanation on adjective. Listen to my video very carefully, then you can learn adjectives and its types. Okay? Adjectives is an important parts of piece. Okay? It's a qualifying word. Adjective is a qualifying word. What is this? It is a qualifying word. Okay? It is used to qualify either a noun or a pronoun. It is used to qualify either a noun or a pronoun. Okay? Or you can say adjective is a parts of piece which is used to qualify either a noun or a pronoun. Okay? Now, one thing you should notice, when adjective comes before noun, suppose noun, and if before noun, if adjective comes, then it is called attributive adjectives. It is called attributive adjectives. What is this? This is called attributive adjective. Suppose a strong man. Okay? Note it carefully. Man is noun. Okay? Here man is noun and strong is adjectives. Okay? So adjective comes before noun. Okay? Therefore, it is called an attributive adjective. A strong man. Next, a beautiful girl. A beautiful girl. Okay? So here girl is noun and before noun comes the word beautiful. What kind of girl? A beautiful girl. Therefore, it is also an attributive adjectives. Attributive adjectives. Clear? Another thing is predicative adjectives. And what is these predicative adjectives? When adjective comes as the predicate of verb, comma, it is called predicative adjectives. It is called predicative adjectives. Okay? Suppose the gentle boy. Suppose the gentle boy. Okay? This is attributive adjectives. But if I turn this sentence into a predicative adjectives, it will be the boy is gentle. The boy is gentle. So note it here. Here the verb is, and after is the adjective gentle comes and sits, and therefore it is here used as the predicate of the verb is, and therefore it is called predicative adjectives. Okay. Now I am giving you other examples. Suppose the expensive book. The expensive book. Okay. expensive books. So this is attributive adjectives, and if I turn this into predicative adjective, it will be the book is expensive. The book is expensive. Clear? Next, I can write suppose the brave soldiers. The brave soldiers. Okay. And now, if I turn this into predicative adjective, it will be the soldiers are brave. So note it carefully that here are is the verb and brave, this adjective comes after the verb, and therefore it is used here as predicate of the verb. So it is called predicative adjectives. Got my point? Now I am going to show you a chart paper, and by this chart paper I will show you the classification of adjectives. That means the different parts of adjective. Okay. Okay, we can classify adjective into three parts. Okay, at first I am showing you a classification of adjectives. Okay, number one comes descriptive adjectives. Number one, descriptive adjectives. Clear? Next num is amount and number. Amount and number. And the next is indicative adjectives. Indicative adjectives. Okay. Now we can further differentiate, or we can further classify descriptive adjective into two parts. One is proper adjectives, and another is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Okay. Now, amount and number, it is also two. There are two parts. It is also divided into two parts. One is definitive. One is definite. DEFINITE, and another is indefinite. Okay. We can further classify definite into three parts. Okay. We can further classify definite adjective into three parts. Number one, cardinals. That means cardinal numbers. Cardinals. Number two, ordinals. And number three, multiplicative. Number three, multiplicative. Okay. And now we can classify indicative into 8 parts. Okay. Now I am writing here indicative. Okay. We can classify indicative into different parts. And what are the parts? Number one, demonstrative. Demonstrative. STRATIV. Demonstrative adjectives. Okay. Next comes distributive adjectives. Next comes possessive adjectives. Next comes emphasizing next comes interrogative adjectives. Next comes relative adjectives, and finally exclamatory adjectives. Okay, now I am going to give you examples. Okay, what are the proper adjectives? Okay, suppose you know the people of India. What is called the people of India? The people of India is called Indian. So Indian comes from the word India, and therefore Indian is a proper adjective. Okay, so I am writing here Indian, INDIAN. Indian is a word which is a proper adjective. Next, Chinese, CHINESE. Chinese. The people of China is called Chinese. The people of France is called French. Okay? FRENCH. French. The people of England is called English. Okay? These are called proper noun. Next comes adjective of quality. The word which is used to show quality of noun. That is called adjective of quality. And what are the words? The words are, suppose, hot. Today is a hot day. Suppose today is a cold day. Tell hot, cold, okay, sweet, okay, and suppose clever, fool. So these are the words which actually show the quality of a thing, of a living or non-living things. It is called adjective of quality. Okay. Next comes amount or number. We can now here we classify amount and number into two parts. One is definite and the other is indefinite. Okay. We further classify definite into three parts. Number one, cardinal. And what are the cardinal numbers? You know cardinal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 100. These are called cardinal number. These digits, okay, then this number system is called cardinal number. But when we say one as fast, FIRST, in short form we write 1ST. This is called ordinal number. Suppose 2 means second, SECOND, and in an abbreviation it is called 2ND. So this is called ordinal number. Next, number 3, that is third, THIRD. So this is third, 3RD. Okay. Next, fourth, FOURTH. Okay. It is fourth, 4TH. Okay. So in this way we write the ordinal number. Okay. In this way we write the ordinal number. And next is multiplicative. Multiplicative examples. Suppose in case of multiplicative we write single, 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 double, 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 triple, 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 Okay. So in this way we show multiplicative number, single, double, triple. In this way we show multiplicative number. Come on. Now comes to the next point. What are the demonstrative adjectives? Okay, I am showing you what are the demonstrative adjectives. That means the word which is used to show but which give demonstration. The word that gives demonstration. What are the words? Suppose this is a book. This is a demonstrative word because it is used to indicate something. Okay, suppose this is a book. Is it a book or a pen or a duster or a blackboard? So we are demonstrating that particular thing, that it is a book. So this this, it is demonstrative adjectives, and in case of plural, these, THES. Similarly that, and in case of plural, those. These are all demonstrative adjectives. Got my point? Next comes distributive adjectives. What are the distributive adjectives? Suppose you know each, 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 every, EVERY, every. Okay. Next either, next neither. Such words are called distributive adjectives. Okay. Each and every student should be present in the schools during the ceremony, during the occasions. Either you or me will be present in the occasions. Neither you nor me will present in the occasions. Such words are called distributive adjectives. Next, possessive adjectives. What are the possessive adjectives? Possessive adjective, suppose you know I is the personal pronoun. Okay, I have taught you in the in preposition chapter. I is a personal pronoun, and I, it will be when it will be changed into my, it is called possessive adjective. And am I any mine, this mine is called possessive pronoun. Okay. Similarly, you, okay, and in possessive adjective it is your, your. Okay, and in case of possessive pronoun it is yours, yours. This is possessive pronoun. Okay, and this is possessive adjectives. In case of he, it is his, his, and in case of possessive pronoun it is also his. Similarly, in case of she, it will be her, her. Her is the possessive adjective, and hearts, hearts is the possessive pronoun. In case of they, the possessive adjective is their, and possessive pronoun is THEIR, is theirs. In case of we, the possessive adjective is our, and possessive pronoun is ours. In this way we write possessive adjectives. Okay, suppose this is my book, this is my book, this is your book, this is his book, this is her book, this is these are their book, these are our books. So these are the possessive adjectives. Got my point? Next, interrogative adjectives. What are the interrogative adjectives? Let me raise the board first, then I will talk to you. Emphasizing adjectives. What are the emphasizing adjectives? Suppose emphasizing adjective is very. Very is an emphasizing adjective. Okay. To, very is an emphasizing adjective. Own is an emphasizing adjective. Okay. He's a very good boy. This is my own work. This is my own work. So he's a, this is my own work. So here own is the emphasizing. This is a very beautiful very beautiful flower. Okay, so here very is the emphasizing adjectives. Okay, next comes interrogative. Next comes interrogative adjectives. What are the interrogative adjectives? You know, WH words. WH words. These WH words you have already learnt in the previous chapter of pronoun. Okay. These WH words are called relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and in this sense, in this case of adjective, this WH word like what, when, who, where, okay, whose, how. So these WH words are also called interrogative adjectives. These WH words are also called interrogative adjectives. Clear? Is called interrogative adjectives. Suppose what kind of manners is this? Suppose I am giving two sentence. Suppose whose pen is this? Emphasize interrogative. Whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? Said here whose is the interrogative adjective. Suppose what kind of manner is this? What kind of manner is this? So this is also what kind of manner. Here what is an interrogative adjective. Got my point? Next comes relative adjectives. What are the relative adjectives? Suppose these WH words, when these WH words are used to make relation or to relate one thing with another thing, it is called a relative adjectives. Suppose what, which, what, relative pronouns, okay, sometimes used as adjectives and they are called relative adjectives. Sometimes which and another word is what. What and which, although they are pronoun, relative pronoun, but sometimes they are used, okay, as adjectives, and that's why they are called relative pronoun. Suppose I was in. Suppose I was in. I was in. Which fact? Which fact? Which fact? Okay. Caused my absence. Absence. Similarly, I gathered what information I could. I gathered what information I could. Okay. So these are called which and what. These two are called relative adjectives. Clear? And next comes exclamatory adjectives. What are the exclamatory adjectives? Exclamatory adjectives, you know, exclamatory means exclaiming something. Okay, when you exclaim something to show our shock, surprise, wonder, okay, in such cases we call them exclamatory adjectives. What are they? Suppose what an idea. What an idea. Exclamatory sign. So what an idea, this is an exclamatory adjective. Suppose what a beautiful picture. What a beautiful picture. This is also an example of an exclamatory adjective. Suppose what a folly. What a folly. F-O-L-L-Y. This is called exclamatory adjectives. What a fine goal. What a fine goal. This is called exclamatory adjectives. what a catch! What a catch! That means the fielder has caught a beautiful catch. So what a catch! What a catch! Exclamatory sign. These key sentences are the examples of exclamatory adjectives. In this way, you have to explain or adjectives. Got my point? I hope you will definitely enjoy my video, my class, my demonstration on this particular parts of piece. Okay, thank you for joining me today. We'll be back again shortly with other parts of pieces in the coming videos. Thank you very much.